Hey sixth graders, it is Monday. Hopefully you were watching this video before the new lesson. I just wanted to go over a few problems with you guys from 7.4. You guys did very well on it, but there were a few questions that it seemed like 13 everybody got wrong for a reason. I'm not sure why. So I wanted to go through that one, and then I picked a random even problem to go over as well. So if you could take out your work from last week and follow along, make corrections if you need to, just like you would in class, that would be great. So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that now. So number 13 was 18 is to 6 as 6 is to p. Remember, that's how we read proportions technically. Okay, we are going to cross multiply, which means we're going to multiply our numbers diagonally and set them equal to each other. So I have 18 times p, which is 18p. Well, it's like purple now because I went through the blue. And then 6 times 6 is 36. To solve for p, we have to divide both sides by 18. So 36 divided by 18 is 2. And 18 divided by 18 is 1, so this just ends up being p. P equals 2. So simple enough. I'm not sure why we had trouble with that, and that's okay if we did. Sometimes we just, get a little caught up on something and we may not get the right answer, okay? So I picked another random even problem for you guys to look at, and I want you to add this to your homework on paper. And then just so you have another problem for your reference, okay? So if we cross multiply again, switch it up with some green there, 4 times p is 4p, and we're going to set that equal to 6 times 28. Oh boy, what's 6 times 28? 168. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. And we get p equals 42. If you're not sure how I got 42, 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 42. Okay? So that is, those are proportions in a nutshell. Keep practicing those. Like I mentioned last week, we do cross multiply, even though we can probably figure out a lot of these in our head. This one you can't quite figure out as easily in your head as you would some other problems. Now, when you get older, you're going to have weird stuff like this in terms of proportions. Things like, let's say x plus 3 over 8 equals 4 over x squared. Like legit, you're going to have that. So it's important to know this method, and make sure you get that part down straight in your head, so when it does get harder, it'll actually be easier. All right, have a great day. Please watch 7.5 video on percents and do the work, and then enjoy the rest of Holy Week and Easter. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.